Hello, I hope you're well. Today's video I am going to be showing you my procedure, for want of a better word, of what I do when I'm going supermarket shopping now. I'm trying to only go once a week if possible because I'm trying not to go out any more than we have to, but I'm going out today to get some essentials from the supermarket. Stay tuned right to the end and I'll show you the whole procedure of what I do from buying my shopping to getting it home, cleaning it, putting it away, all that kind of thing. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all my new videos. Now, I'm sure that some of the things that I'm not doing the best way I could be, and there might be better ways. If you want to comment below and let me know, that's great, but yeah, I'm just trying my best. So I'm going to share with you what I do. So first of all, I have taken my bags with me myself. I've just set them up in the boot. What I do is I take my own bags from home. I've actually got Aldi ones which are really big and I like them and they're quite sturdy, and I set them up in my boot. They come from my house to the boot of the car, from the boot of the car into the house, and they don't leave. That's the only place they are, so it means that they're not getting contaminated on the outside because they're only touching the boot of my car and going into my house. I don't put them in the trolley and I don't take them out the car, so you'll see what I mean as the video goes on if you keep watching. But that's what I've got with me, my bags. I've also got with me my hand gel for when I come out the shops, and also some anti-bac surface wipes. And as the video goes on, you'll see how I use all these things, but I just thought I'd explain to you what I've taken with me. I've also got my bank card and my phone, and I don't take a bag with me because I don't want to have anything else that I need to touch and clean or that I need to put down on surfaces. So I just keep my bank card in my pocket and also my phone in my pocket, and I try not to touch my phone in the shop if at all possible. So we're going to go to the shop and do my shop, and I'll talk you through the whole process of what I do. So when we get to the shop, obviously I leave the car, lock up the car. Like I say, I don't take many things in with me, just my card and my phone. Then we do what everyone's doing all over the country, I'm sure, and queue up with our 2 meters between us to get into the shop. I've been going to Tesco. I feel that my local Tesco anyway are handling this really well, and they are following procedures and making it all as safe as possible. So I feel quite comfortable going there. And someone stands at the door and makes sure we go in one at a time, and it's all marked out in boxes so that we stay in each box, and we're never too close to anyone else. And you have to follow the arrows to go around the shop. So I go in, I do give my trolley handle a clean with the sprays that are available to me. To be honest, I'm not so concerned about that because even if there was germs on the trolley handle which I'm touching, I'm going to be washing my hands, so that's not such a concern. I go around, do my shop, take it to the checkout obviously, and then this is where it's slightly different. So what I do is I put all my shopping directly into the trolley, not into bags. I then pay for my shopping. It's usually more than £30, so I can't use contactless, so I use my card. Obviously that's been a machine that other people are touching and I'm touching the pad, so I'm aware of that. My card goes straight back into my pocket and I go out to the car. Now when I get to the car, I then unpack my shopping from the trolley into the bags. So the shopping has touched other people, and it could in theory be contaminated, so that is only touching the inside of the bags, not the outside. So I put all my shopping inside the bags. I'll then get into my car and I then use the hand gel to clean my hands. So I'll clean my hands and also clean the outside of the bottle which I've just touched. I'll then get an anti-bac surface wipe, and then I'll clean down like my the handle where I've just touched in the car and my steering wheel and everything, just as an extra precaution. They haven't touched anything, but like my steering wheel hasn't touched anything, but just as an extra precaution, I'll just give everything a wipe down and then I'll drive home. When I get home, I will then unpack the shopping. Now, the bags have only touched my boot, so they should not be contaminated on the outside, so they're okay to take in and put directly down on my kitchen floor. Whereas if the bags had been in my trolley or like on the checkout section when you're filling them up, like they could have touched loads of other things, so they haven't touched anything else except the inside of my car. So I'll unpack my shopping, then I will give my shopping a wipe down using hot soapy water. Any fruit and veg and things will get washed before it's put away. Then the bags get folded up and then they get put away ready until the next time I go shopping. I'll then obviously give my hands a good wash. Oh, another thing, I also then give my bank card a clean as well. I also give my phone a good wipe down after I've washed my hands. Hopefully it won't be forever, but that is what I do at the moment to try and prevent any contamination and prevent us from getting the virus. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to head on over and follow me on Instagram. But take care, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.